Hey, Charlie. Hey, Mark.
Hey, Kevin.
So we got the parking deck underway, retaining wall. You know, Mark, I mean, you see it all the time. I see it all the time. Walls leaning forward, bulging. We do not want that to happen. You got to tell us how to prevent it.
So you can be driving down the street and every other wall is going to have a bulge. Every other wall is going to have a lean going the wrong way. That's what you're talking about. It all starts under that first course of block.
Okay, so the prep work, obviously, key.
Prep work is key. So the first thing we did here, Kevin, is we took this grade right down a couple feet, put some crusher run under that. And so what you're looking at is a foot of compacted gravel. We put a course on top of that, and then we actually put another course on top of that. We're gonna bury this halfway, and that's gonna help with the stability.
So gravel, one buried, one on top, right?
Right.
And then pipe?
And then pipe. So this pipe is a 4-inch perforated pipe. What it's gonna do is if you have water coming over this hill and getting behind the wall, it hits the gravel, it hits that pipe, and runs all the way to the drain.
Key ingredient.
Yeah, key ingredient. All right, another thing we do here is we step this wall back. Okay, you can see if we were building a stone wall, I was taught that we never build it like that. We always rack it back a little. That way it's going to accept the pressure from the backfill that's going to hit it eventually.
Yep, okay.
Check this out, Kevin.
So what are we,
so
am I plumb there?
you're plumb there.
6 courses up.
Right, and look at that.
6 inches.
We're 6 inches back, so.
1 inch, 1 inch, we got it.
1 inch.
Helpful.
All right.
And so these guys are just made to interlock with each other, right?
Right.
So it takes all the guesswork out of it.
You can see that channel.
So that receives, this thing right here, I'm just push it back to you a little bit so I can see it. That just receives that right there. And so that is gonna set it back the inch.
Rolls right into place, and you can see how it racks back.
Yep.
And then again, Kevin, just one right after the other. Pushes in, fits right into its groove. All right, and this is just how easy it goes. Find the groove, slide in the block, just like that.
So I was just going to ask you, Mark, how do we finish
All
off
right,
these
Kevin.
ends? But it looks like they've thought of that.
Well, easy enough. We call this an end block.
Yep.
It's going to show us 2 finished sides.
Gotcha. Half a block too as well. So
Yep.
it's going to end up right where it's supposed to.
Exactly.
Yeah. I got another one of those coming in here. Hang on 1 second. I'll get it for you. So you would just sort of mount these up as you go.
Yep. Okay. Self-explanatory.
And
Finish
then,
edge, finish edge.
And in terms of finishing off this part,
So to top off the wall, we have a capstone. Thank you, Charlie. And again, applied the same way. It has grooves as well on the underside. The difference with these grooves are they're projected out to give us an overhang.
Right here.
So you can see not going to be in the same plane as this wall.
gotcha. And when these go in, are they just going to sit here, or does this start to get adhesive?
So the caps we're going to glue down, common practice.
Once we get everything all lined up.
Exactly. We're going to line them up first, and then we'll peel them back, glue them down, and walk away.
Mark, if I come back in 20, 30 years, am I going to see a bulge, a sag, anything?
Not here, Kevin. We did everything right. We have the correct base. We used stone. We compacted it. We put a pipe in for drainage.
Yeah.
We racked back our wall. We glued down our cap. We did everything we were supposed to do. Come back in 25 years and you're going to have a smile on your face.
I love it. I got a smile on my face right now because it looks good and because I'm going to leave you guys to it. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.